Over the years, a stellar list of powerful Jamaicans have emerged from the most surprising and unexpected places. The following are a few individuals who have reached the pinnacle of their careers, acquiring power and influence, while striving to create a legacy. My name is Alex, and if it's your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. With no further ado, here are the top 8 most powerful and influential Jamaicans. Number 8. Wayne Chen. Wayne Chen is the CEO of Superplus Food Stores and is behind a major expansion in Jamaica's local supermarket business. Superplus is a large chain with some 30 stores across the island. Chen is also a director of NCB Cayman Limited, AIC Barbados Limited, and Christmas Town Centre Limited. He is the younger brother of Michael Lee Chen. Number 7. Gordon Butch Stewart. Gordon Butch Stewart is the chair of Sandals Resorts International, the Jamaica Observer, and over 20 firms that come under the Appliance Traders umbrella. Appliance Traders is one of the largest private sector conglomerates in the Caribbean. His net worth has been placed at $1 billion Jamaican dollars. He began his career at age 12 when he borrowed his father's fishing boat and sold his catch of the day, as well as transporting individuals from their yachts to the waterfront. Number 6. Joseph John Issa. Joseph John Issa, known as Joe Issa, is the founder of Cool Group, a multi-billion-dollar enterprise comprising over 50 companies. He is the chairperson of the Super Club's all-inclusive resort chain and vice chair of the Gleaner Company. He has been given credit for introducing the all-inclusive resort concepts to Jamaica during the tourism downturn in the 1970s. Issa is also known for his community involvement, especially helping underprivileged children in going to school. Number 5. Dr. Blossom Amelie Nelson. Dr. Blossom Amelie Nelson is the first female Postmaster General in Jamaica. She has served as a Pro-Chancellor and Chairperson of the Council for the University of Technology. Along with her achievements in public service, she is applying her talents in the private sector with Airmar Group, a family-owned logistic company. Number 4. Paula Kerr Jarrett. Paula Kerr Jarrett is an attorney, philanthropist, and leader in the Jamaican society. With her husband Mark, she is working to promote tourism in Montego Bay. The couple recently announced a multi-billion-dollar project to build 1,200 homes, a 48-acre technology park stated to bring 30,000 jobs to Jamaica, and a new University of the West Indies that would accommodate as many as 10,000 students. The value of the project is an estimated $500 million. Kerr Jarrett's great-grandmother, Marion Louise Reese Bevell, was the first woman on the island to run for office as an independent candidate in the general election in 1944. Through her husband, she is linked to the prominent Jarrett family. Number 3. Chris Blackwell. Chris Blackwell belongs to a family that obtained its wealth by way of sugar and Appleton rum. He has been a music mogul for over 50 years, being instrumental in introducing reggae to the world and producing artists like Ike and Tina Turner, Bob Marley, and Burning Spear. He is the founder of Palm Pictures and created the Golden Age Film Festival, which honors Jamaicans for their excellence in the arts and music. He received the Order of Jamaica in 2004 for his work in the entertainment industry. He currently operates Island Outpost, a conglomerate established to run several resorts in Jamaica and the Bahamas. Number 2. Michael Lee Chen. Michael Lee Chen began his career as a road engineer with the Jamaican government, working his way up to his position as the chairman and founder of Portland Holdings, a privately held investment firm in Jamaica. He is also the executive chairman of AIC Limited and the National Commercial Bank. Mr. Lee Chen was born in Port Antonio and is a stakeholder in the National Commercial Bank Jamaica and the Total Finance in Trinidad and Tobago. He personally owns 250 acres of beachfront property in Ocho Rios. as well as homes in Canada and Florida. He has been listed on Forbes magazine Billionaires for the past 4 years. Number 1. Joseph Matalon. Mr. Joseph Matalon is the chairman of the ICD Group, a Jamaican investment holding firm. And for over 20 years, he has applied his knowledge and expertise to transactional finance, investments, and banking in several institutions, including the British Caribbean Insurance Company, the Development Bank of Jamaica, and the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica. He is the director of the Gleaner Company and the Commodity Services Company, and a former director at the Bank of Nova Scotia, Jamaica Limited. Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Remember to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to Elite Jamaica so you never miss an update. If you've got ideas for videos I should create, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to look into it, okay?